Ho ho ho, Omnisenders! As the year winds down and the holiday cheer amps up, we're back with our December roundup of all the fresh, exciting features and updates we've been working on. December isn't just about wrapping up gifts, it's also about wrapping up the year with a bang. And we've got just the tools to help you do just that. And as always, we're delivering these updates with the affordability and value you've come to expect from Omnisend. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, get cozy, and let's get into it. Reminders. Did you miss our latest workshop? Let me give you a quick rundown. The session was all about testing and fine-tuning your marketing strategies for BFCM and the holiday season. We dived deep into the world of A/B testing for email and SMS sign-up forms, explored a variety of pop-up tests, covered email testing from top to bottom, and of course, shared tips on how to test and improve your automations, making them more impactful than ever. Missed out on all that goodness? No need to fret. Just click the link in the description and catch up at your convenience. Email Builder. And now let's sprinkle some holiday magic on your email campaigns. Introducing our brand new collection of Winter Holidays email templates. Each template in this collection has been crafted with creativity, warmth, and a touch of festive joy. We understand that this time of year is all about connection and celebration. And what better way to convey this than through beautifully designed emails? So go ahead and explore this collection. Let your emails bring smiles and festive mood to every click and open. Campaign Booster. Next up, we're excited to share a revamp that's all about taking your email campaigns to the next level. The new and improved Campaign Booster. We've taken simplicity and power and blended them to give you an improved tool that's easy to use. Here's how it works. Within your email campaigns, you'll find the booster settings have been streamlined. The flow is unified now, making it easy to configure both email and SMS boosters right where you need them. But that's not all. Now you have the flexibility to fine-tune your campaigns like never before. Adjust the delay time to hit that sweet spot where your message resonates the most. And when it comes to targeting, choose whether to boost based on opens or clicks, giving you more control to reach the audience that matters. The revamped Campaign Booster is all about putting the reins in your hands so you can make each campaign not just good, but super effective. Segmentation. Remember the sneak peek we gave you in the last video? Well, the wait is over. We're thrilled to finally announce the release of our new pre-built segment, Celebrating Anniversary. With this new addition, your segmentation powers just got a major upgrade. From celebrating pet birthdays to recognizing your customers' wedding anniversaries, or even birthdays gathered through various integrations, the possibilities are endless. So get ready to mark those calendars and celebrate every unique occasion with your customers. Because we're all about helping you make every customer interaction feel personal and special. UI updates. Here at Omnisend, we believe that powerful tools should also be a joy to use. That's why this month we've been tinkering with every little detail, ensuring that everything works smooth as butter. Think menus that are a breeze to navigate and buttons that respond like they're reading your mind. But we didn't stop at just fine-tuning. We're introducing some nifty features that we think you'll love. How about the ability to delete multiple items in a snap, or customization options for lists that let you see what you need when you need it. That's right, whether you want a comprehensive data view or a more sales-focused dashboard, it's all at your fingertips. Integrations. And finally, as we wrap up this video, let's talk about a fantastic new integration that's sure to excite all the WordPress wizards out there. We're proud to introduce the Omnisend for Gravity Forms add-on, an awesome WordPress plugin designed specifically for WooCommerce store merchants. Whether you're looking to gather customer feedback, run a survey, or collect any kind of data, Gravity Forms makes it a breeze. The power of this integration lies in its flexibility. It's all about giving you the reins to use your data in ways that take your marketing efforts to the next level. Want to learn more? Read all about it in our dedicated guide. As always, link in the description. And just like that, we've come to the end of our December journey through Omnisend's latest and greatest updates. Each update and enhancement has been a step towards making your Omnisend experience not only successful, but also enjoyable. Remember, these tools and features are here to empower you, to turn your creative visions into reality, and to help your business thrive. So keep exploring these new features, experiment with them, and watch as they transform your sales into bestsellers. And most importantly, keep sharing your feedback in the comment section or share your thoughts with our award-winning 24/7 support team anytime. Happy marketing and happy holidays. Catch you in the next one.